Health Licensing Office, Board of Sign Language Interpreters, Oregon Health Authority, 1430 Tandem Avenue, Northeast, Suite 180, Salem, Oregon, 97301-2192. Voice 503-378-8667. All relay calls accepted. www.oregon.gov/OHA/PH/HLO. FAQ Sign Language Interpreter Legal License, repealed as of January 1st, 2026. Issued on September 30th, 2025. Overview and background. During the 2025 legislative session, SB 950, 2025, was passed and signed into law by the governor on May 28, 2025. The new law repeals the Sign Language Interpreter, SLI, legal license, effective January 1st, 2026. However, any SLI legal license issued between June 8th, 2024 and December 31st, 2025 will remain valid through January 1st, 2029, allowing SLI legal license holders 3 additional years to practice. Beginning January 1st, 2026, the SLI legal license will no longer be issued or renewed due to SB 950, 2025, which repeals this license type. The Health Licensing Office, HLO, has provided a FAQ to help understand how the current law aligns with SB 950, 2025. Permanent Board SLI legal license. Question 1. When did HLO begin issuing permanent Board of Sign Language Interpreters, Board SLI legal licenses? Answer. HLO began issuing permanent Board SLI legal licenses on June 8, 2024. To obtain a permanent Board SLI legal license, a person had to apply and provide all required information, meet all qualifications, and pay application and license fees. Question 2. When will HLO stop issuing permanent Board SLI legal licenses? Answer. HLO will stop issuing permanent Board SLI legal licenses on December 31st, 2025. Question 3. Does my permanent Board SLI legal license qualify me for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer. Yes. Your permanent Board SLI legal license will automatically be extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 4. Do I have to renew my permanent Board SLI legal license before December 31st, 2025 to have my permanent Board SLI legal license extended until January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. You do not have to renew your permanent Board SLI legal license to have it extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 5. Does my permanent Board SLI legal license need to be active on January 1st, 2026 to have my permanent Board SLI legal license extended until January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. Your permanent Board SLI legal license doesn't have to be active on January 1st, 2026 to be extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 6. Can I renew my permanent Board SLI legal license after December 31st, 2025? Answer: no. Starting January 1st, 2026, the Permanent Board SLI legal license can no longer be renewed due to SB 950, 2025, repealing the SLI legal license. Question 7. Can I attain a Permanent Board SLI legal license after December 31st, 2025? Answer: no. Starting January 1st, 2026, Permanent Board SLI legal licenses will no longer be issued due to SB 950, 2025, repealing the SLI legal license. Question 8. If I was issued a Permanent Board SLI legal license between June 8th, 2024 and December 31st, 2025, where can I provide sign language interpretation services after January 1st, 2026? Answer: from January 1st, 2026 to January 1st, 2029, you can provide services in settings that the board authorizes without needing extra licenses. The board will set the specific rules related to settings by January 1st, 2026. Question 9. If I was issued a Permanent Board SLI legal license in 2024 or 2025, can I get a refund or transfer the fees? Answer: no. Once the license has been issued and fees paid, those fees can't be refunded or transferred. Question 10. If I renewed my Permanent Board SLI legal license in 2024 or 2025, can I get a refund or transfer the fees? Answer: no. Once the license has been issued and fees paid, those fees can't be refunded or transferred. Temporary SLI legal license. Question 11. When were temporary SLI legal licenses issued? Answer: temporary SLI legal licenses were issued between January 1st, 2024 and June 7th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. There were no fees required to obtain a temporary license issued from January 1st, 2024 to June 7th, 2024. Question 12. When did temporary SLI legal licenses become null and void? Answer: temporary SLI legal licenses became null and void on June 7th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Question 13. Does my temporary SLI legal license qualify me for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer: no. The temporary SLI legal license does not qualify you for the extension ending January 1st, 2029. Limited waiver on enforcement. Question 14. When does the limited waiver on enforcement end? Answer: the limited waiver on enforcement began on January 1st, 2024, ends on June 30th, 2026. Question 15. If I choose to work under the limited waiver on enforcement and do not obtain a Permanent Board SLI educational, medical, or legal license, do I qualify for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer: no. If you choose to work under the limited waiver on enforcement and do not obtain a Permanent Board SLI educational, medical, or legal license, you do not qualify for the extension ending January 1st, 2029. Resources and contact information as of September 30th, 2025. Please note, the information and links below are likely to change as of January 1st, 2026 due to changes in SB 950, 2025 and the completion of rulemaking. SLI Supervisory License Application Form https www.oregon.gov/OHA/PH/SLI supervisory sign language interpreter license application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/OHA/PH/language-sign-language-interpreters-supervisory-license.aspx. Fees. Application $150. 1 year license $200. SLI Generalist License. Application form https://www.oregon.gov/SLI-generalist_sign_language_interpreter_application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-standard-license.aspx. Fees. Application $100. 1 year license $150. SLI Provisional License. Application form https://www.oregon.gov/OHA/PH/SLI-provisional_sign_language_interpreter_application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-provisional-license.aspx. Fees. Application $75. 1 year license $100. Resource information. Meeting information. https://www.oregon.gov/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-meetings.aspx. Meeting videos. https://www.youtube.com/playlist?list=PLG51XTPQ I. Current rules and laws. https://www.oregon.gov/sign-language-rules-laws-rules-rules.aspx. How to receive up-to-date board information. https://public.govdelivery.com/accounts/orha/signup/38181. Contact information. Licensing questions. Michael Brennan, 503-934-5009. michael.a.brennan@oha.oregon.gov. Board meeting or rulemaking questions. Josh Page, 503-934-0720. josh.page@oha.oregon.gov. Board membership questions. Chrissy Pickett, 503-378-2093. Chrissy.Pickett@oha.oregon.gov.